Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. On this channel, it's all about how to make money online, tips and tutorials, and website review. Kindly share, like, subscribe. Are you there and you're interested in teaching online? Example, it's teaching English and maybe other languages, but specific to this video, I'm going to show you our website currently hiring English tutor. For that I mean, you can teach, if you're in Africa, you can teach children in China to speak English. The website that I'm to show you, it's called ego.com. And the good thing that you need on this website, it's a computer, internet connection, and also a English speaker. As you can see here it's the website. So to start teaching online, you just need to scroll up to down here and click apply to teach. As you can see here, teach English online with Ingo. So you just click on start teaching. As you can see, it's teachers in more than 70 countries worldwide. So the benefits are you decide to work your own hours, work as much or as little as you want, work from home, avoid traffic and long commutes, enjoy the comfort of your home, meet the students from different cultures. We provide the lesson plans, 24-hour support staff. So make sure you go direct to this website, click as early as now, fill in the test, and then you receive the training materials. So as you can see, registration, create an account, register your basic information such as name and nationality, and it's accepting worldwide. If you're in Kenya, Nigeria, etc. If you apply here, you get after you have been invited for the interview, you can proceed to start teaching online. Check your browser and internet connection are compatible with our system, then do a quick automated English test. And about this English test, make sure you are prepared, because if it opens and let's say it's about 20 minutes, you need to finish that English test within those 20 minutes. After that, you receive training materials. Wait to be contacted by our tutor recruitment team, who will send you your links to our self-guided training material. Also, if you're applying on this website, make sure you can work on a video call, because for you to be able to teach, the student needs to see you physically on either Skype or Google Meet, but I think mostly it's Skype. After that, complete the training and complete a demo lesson. After you have been accepted, you just need to start teaching. For your requirement, you need to be at least 18 years, proficient in English, headset and a webcam, a laptop or a desktop, and high-speed internet connection. So guys, go direct, apply on this website, and I hope you're going to benefit from it. Make sure you subscribe to my video for more money making website tutorials and website review. I love you guys, and see you in my next video. Yeah.